Bonjour classe. Aujourd'hui, nous allons pratiquer nos compétences de compréhension de français. So, like I said, today we're going to work on our French language comprehension skills, and along with that, we're going to work on vocabulary and writing using this fun website called lyricstraining.com. So as you can see, my language is set to French. And if I scroll down, you can see all sorts of music in French from all genres. And I would like you to pick any song of your choice, and we're going to do some work with it. The song that I chose was Papa Ute by Stromae. And the first thing that I'm going to ask you to do with your song is to read through the lyrics. And if you have any questions about vocabulary, you can use wordreference.com. Of course, if you have any questions about idiomatic expressions, I am happy to help. So now that you have a little familiarity with these lyrics, you won't be completely lost once we move on to our next activity, which is actually now we get the chance to get into this game. So if you want to challenge yourself, you can pick a higher level. For this example, I'm going to use beginner with 40 random words that I must fill throughout the song. So if we start the game, we don't need an account. We can see right here is where the lyrics will be located, and there will be blanks in the lyrics. And you follow along with the song, and it'll give you a chance to think if you need it, but pretty much you just listen and type in what you need to type in. So let's get started. Let's check this out. So here's our first blank that we must fill in. So as you can see, it gives you a little chance to think, and I'm just typing in what I hear. Okay, so as you can see, this is pretty straightforward, and I hope you have fun. I would like you to take a screenshot of your results, and that is all. Bonne journée.